This is Zippo model 21139 called the Zippo Scrolled Feather. It is got that just neat design on there, and I am showing you the neat case that it will come in with the little cute dots on it. You'll see that it is still made in the USA. Brand new. All these have never been opened. Pretty much nothing else to say except yes, this is Zippo brands, made in the USA. That is made with a satin chromed finish there. You'll see the intricate design that they have engraved already into there for you. Standard size for the Zippo. So that's the Zippo Z21139.